I'm Alex, and I'm teaching the Unity video game developers class, and I'm super excited. We're going to learn all about Unity for 2D and 3D games. We're going to talk about famous games made in Unity, stuff like Cuphead, Hollow Knight, VR games like Beat Saber, and even Pokemon Go was made in Unity. So we're going to go through kind of the basics of the editor. We're going to learn how to make games and how to do UI, and we'll learn some C Sharp about how to do like loops and if statements and game logic. We'll learn about physics, and we'll learn how to make a game design document. We can learn how to import models downloaded from the internet or that you make yourself in something like Blender. And ultimately, we're working on exporting our game so that we can upload it to itch.io and be able to share it around either as a Windows, Mac, or a web player build. And then for the second section in the spring, our goal is to work more collaboratively. So we're going to do our first game jam. And so there will be a theme announcement, and then everyone will break up into groups and come up with a game idea and build it over the next couple of weeks. We'll lean more into playtesting and polish and iteration on your game concepts. And then finally, we will be able to publish those final team-made games and be able to play them together at the end of the second semester. So I'm really looking forward to teaching the class and to meeting all of you and making some awesome games.